Federal prosecutors have gained the support of a key confidant in their sex trafficking investigation of Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz. On Friday, Joel Greenberg admitted he paid an underage girl to have sex with him and other unidentified men. Greenberg is expected to plead guilty to 6 federal charges in a Florida courtroom next week. Major Garrett reports on what this could mean for Gaetz, a 3-term Republican.
Florida Republican Congressman Matt Gaetz once called Joel Greenberg his wingman. In the plea agreement, Greenberg admits to knowingly paying a minor for sex. The document says Greenberg also introduced the minor to other adult men who engaged in commercial sex acts with the minor. Multiple sources familiar with the matter tell CBS News one of the men Greenberg introduced the minor to was Gaetz, and that federal investigators are looking into whether Gaetz had a sexual relationship with her. Gaetz has repeatedly denied having sex with the minor and paying for sex. CBS News has also learned the identity of the minor in question, who is now 21.
Can I ask you a couple questions?
On Wednesday at the Capitol, we tried to ask Gaetz about his relationship with the woman.
Congressman Gaetz?
Arlo Devlin Brown is a former federal prosecutor.
If I'd had dealings with Joel Greenberg where I was involved in any of the illegal activities he's pled guilty to, particularly sex trafficking a minor, I'd be very concerned.
According to multiple sources, the woman, who was by then 18, also traveled to the Bahamas in 2018 with Gaetz and at least 3 other paid escorts. Greenberg is facing a minimum prison sentence of 12 years and agreed to help federal prosecutors with their investigation.
You can't half cooperate. Once you sign up with the government to be a cooperator, you better provide full and complete and truthful information.
A spokesman for Gaetz said, quote, Congressman Gaetz doesn't seem to be named nor referenced in Mr. Greenberg's plea. Congressman Gaetz has never had sex with a minor and has never paid for sex. Joel Greenberg is scheduled to plead guilty in federal court in Orlando on Monday. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Major Garrett, Washington.